بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
Sadaqallahu Lazim. Jazakallah Saim. Very nice. MashaAllah. बहुत खूबसूरत तलावत की आपने and thank you so much for that. With the name of Allah, we are starting our today's lesson and I'm going to my screen share. आप देख सकते हैं आपकी स्क्रीन पर हमारी आज की presentation. But before that, starting our today's lesson with the name of Allah, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. May He protect us all from this pandemic. Okay, the way we spend our time defines who we are. If we are just wasting our times in minor activities that are not constructive at all, it means we are wasting our lives. It means we are wasting ourselves. And if we are spending our time wisely, and we are giving time to everything that is important in our lives, that means we are a careful and nice person who will definitely succeed in life because he is not wasting his time, right? So spend your time wisely. Okay, look at this. Who's this? This is Ali. He went to sleep early at night because he had to wake up early in the morning. Why do you think he had to wake up? Okay, he had to reach the school by 8:30 a.m. 8:30 a.m. तक उसको स्कूल पहुंचना था. तो what he did, he slept early at night. Now, what happened was some kid is doing annotation on my screen and I know who that is, but okay, ठीक है, I'm not going to nominate him, but he knows what he has done. And if I see it once more, I will remove that kid from the class. So beware. So we are talking about this kid Ali who slept early at night, but because he had to reach school by 8:30 in the morning. But what happened was, you can see the sun has risen. It's about to get 8. But oh, look what happened. Ali is still in bed. Why do you think he is still in bed? He still have to brush his teeth. He have to take a bath. He will have breakfast and then get ready for school. Yes, so many things to do. And it's already about to get 8 in the morning. Oh my god, here comes the angry mom. His mom is angry. What do you think he is angry? Please raise your hands. I want you guys to raise your hands to tell us why is his mother angry? We have Nidal. Yes, please unmute.
His mother is ang- his mother is angry because Ali has not woke up in the morning early. He has woke up late.
Very good. His mother is angry because he hasn't still woke up, right? And now she's shouting, Ali, you're still in bed. When will you get ready for school? You're late. That's why Ali's mom is angry. Okay, G. Now, why do you think Ali didn't wake up despite having a table clock beside his bed? You saw a table clock on his beside his bed now? He had that table clock. He could have seen time and woke up early, but he didn't. Why? Can you tell us? Please raise your hands. He had a clock. He was seeing that the what time it was, but he still didn't wake up. He seems pretty healthy. It doesn't seem like he was not feeling well. He slept early at night. उसकी नींद भी definitely पूरी हो चुकी थी. Then he's still watching at the clock but not getting out of the bed. घड़ी देख रहा है but वो बेड से बाहर नहीं निकल रहा. Why? Tell me. Raise your hands. I want answers. Why do you think Ali didn't wake up despite having a table clock beside his bed? It was not because he was not feeling well. It was not because he was still sleepy. He was watching at the clock but not getting out of the bed. Okay, I'll tell you. Now, what happened was he could not tell the time. He was watching at the clock, looking at the clock, but he could not tell the time. उसको पता ही नहीं था कि इस घड़ी पर क्या टाइम हुआ है. जी निदान, he has lowered his hand. Okay. And now he is late for school. अब क्या करें? क्या करेगा? अली को क्या करना पड़ेगा? The teacher will also scold him for being late. He has to rush for the school now. So all this happened because of the reason that he could not tell time. So guys, today we'll talk about time. I'm your teacher Mehba Nasir from Fizai Inter College Manhas, and this is maths class of grade 3. So how do we tell time? You all know a clock has this was the answer that you needed to tell. How do we tell time? By using clocks, and we have different types of clocks here. Yes, Nidal, you want to ask something? Please unmute. Okay. Sorry. So by using clocks, we can tell the time, but before that, we must learn how, right? How to tell the time on different types of clocks. Here you can see we have some digital clocks, some analog clocks, a wristwatch, a wall clock, a table clock. There are different types of clocks, but the purpose of all of them is the same, and that is to tell time. But they don't say the time out loud. There are some clocks that say the time out loud, but usually you have to read the time from those clocks. Types of clocks के बारे में बात करें तो we have two types of clocks. One is the digital one where the time is shown in the form of digits. The first hours are shown at the left hand, then we have a colon, and on the right side minutes are shown. And right now the time on this digital clock is 7:15, or we can also say 7:15. Then we have an analog clock which has numbers on it in a circular face, in a circular manner usually, and then it has two main needles. One is a shorter needle which represents the hours, and the longer needle which represents the minutes. What time is shown on these clocks right now? I want answers from you. What time is shown on this clock which is right in front of you? Who will tell me? You can also write it in chat. I'll open the chat also. You can write your answers in chat. Okay, I have got an answer from Rumesa in chat. But I won't say it out. I want more answers. Please write down in chat. Okay, Talha, Shees, Nidal, Maz, Hassan have given the correct answers. Shahlan, no, it's Shahan. Shahan, please unmute and tell us what time is it.
Ma'am, 4 o'clock.
Ma'am, 4 o'clock. Please say the time only. So it is 4 o'clock. Very good. All of you guys who have given the correct answers, Zainab, Iman, Saim, correct. So I'm getting your answers in the chat also. मैं chat से देख के आपको बता सकती हूँ कि कौन correct answer दे रहा है. Okay, good. So the time right now is 4 o'clock, right? We have another clock in front of us. What time is it now? I'm going to unmute Ayman Usman 3B. Ayman Usman, you will tell us what time is it right now.
2 o'clock.
Very good. I have got some answers in the chat also. It is 2 o'clock. Now you can see that the hours hand is on on any of the digits, and the minutes hand is right at 12. It means it's o'clock timing, and the hour is 2 right now, so we'll say it is 2 o'clock. Had it been on 1, it would be 1 o'clock. Had it been on 5, it will be 5 o'clock, and it goes on. Another clock we have where the hours hand is between 10 and 11 and the minutes hand is at 6. You have learned it in your previous class. I want you to recall and tell me what time is it right now. Rohab has already given the answer in chat. Okay. Alishba Salim 3B, please unmute. Alishba Salim, I want you to unmute and tell us the answer. Alishba, you don't want to participate in the class? Anfal Zukhruf 3C, please unmute. I'm getting very good response in chat, but not verbally. And that too, only 5, 6, 7 students are participating. What about rest of you? Anfal Zukhruf, I want you to unmute. Okay, he doesn't want to. Okay, that's understandable. There are some kids who don't want to participate, but you will in my class. Anfal and Alishba Salim, if I'm asking you once more, if you're not going to answer, I might mark you absent because seems like you have turned on the class and you have gone to sleep. Anfal Zukhruf, unmute please. Okay, no answer. Dua Saqib, unmute. Sorry. So we are getting
10:30.
okay, very good. It is 10:30 and there is another thing that we can say the time is 10:30 is the correct answer. I'm not saying it's wrong. I have got that answer. Okay, Anfal don't have a microphone. That is why he's written in chat box. But if you don't have a microphone, type it in chat, right? ओके शहान बताएंगे 10:30 को हम मजीद क्या कहते हैं ओके इट्स जैनब शहान किधर गए here it is shahan please unmute and tell us what do we call another name for 10:30
Half past 10.
very good it's 10:30 so we say the time is 10:30 or 10:30 शहान म्यूट कर लें बेटे अपने आप को जैनब और शहान दोनों चले जी another clock we have and this time this is a digital one. What time is it now? Badrus Salam, please unmute.
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, 7 hours and 00 minutes. It means it is 7 o'clock. Correct. So you say the time is 7 o'clock. Look at this other clock. This is once again a digital one. What time is it now? Ibrahim, class 3G, unmute. Ibrahim 3G, Ryan 3D. ओ इब्राहिम के तरफ बहुत शोर था मुझे समझ नहीं आया उनका आंसर सईद रजा अनम्यूट सईद रजा will tell us the time on this clock
लेकिन टीचर मेरा ये क्वेश्चन है कि
Beta,
आप कौन
I'm
कौन से
asking the answer. I'm asking the answer. What time is it on the class? It doesn't matter. कितने class के बच्चे यहाँ पर हैं? 7:15. That is correct. I'm going to answer your question right now. It is 7:15, or if we can say it is 7:15, right? We say the time is 7:15 or just 7:15. If we say it, then that is also correct, right? Hours in a day की हम बात करें तो there are 24 hours in a day. We all know that. But those 24 hours are divided into two parts. From 12 in the midnight to 12 in the day. This portion, these 12 hours are written with AM, and the time from midday up to 12 in the night. These 12 hours are written with PM. Now, what is AM and PM? These are also, you can also say this is kya, morning time and evening time, but basically AM stands for anti-meridian. AM is for anti, M is for meridian. This is the time from 12 midnight up to 12 in the noon. 12 in the noon means 12 in the midday. Then PM stands for post meridian, and it is the time from 12 noon to 12 midnight. Morning time or the daytime, which by which we write AM, these might be the times when the sun rises, and then you get up from the bed, you wake up, you go for a morning walk, you have your breakfast, then you get ready for school, and then in the recess time you play with your friends. You go to school, and then in recess time you play with your friends. All these are different tasks that are done in morning time, and for that we write AM with these times, with the times of these tasks. ठीक है, ये तमाम वो काम हैं जो आप AM टाइम में कर रहे हैं या मॉर्निंग टाइम में कर रहे हैं. Then after that starts the evening time. और क्या करते हैं? You go back to home from your school, then you have your lunch, you go to play cricket or some game, or you go out with your family, then you do your homework, you have your dinner, then some kids might like some bedtime stories, and then you go to sleep. All these are the tasks done in the evening time, and you write PM with these times, with these tasks, right? Now I want you to tell me if it is AM or PM. You can write in chat box also, but you can raise your hands also. ठीक है, but hand raise करने में क्या problem होता है कि only 1 or 2 kids can give answer, but you all can answer in chat box. So please do it in the chat box. It's better. So on the screen is a situation. Tyler goes to school at 7 o'clock in the morning, every morning. Okay. Is it going to be an AM time or PM time? Write it down. G, is it going to be an AM time? Okay, I'm getting some nice answers in chat, but I want you to raise your hands also. Okay, Ryan 3D, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
So is it going to be AM time or PM time when Tyler is going to school at 7 o'clock in the morning?
Ma'am, it is 7 a.m.
Very good. It will be 7 a.m. Schools तो morning में ही होते हैं ना, रात में कौन सा school होता है, right? Okay, so this is going to be AM. Okay, next situation पर आते हैं हम. What is happening is Aslam comes back from school in the afternoon. In the afternoon, Aslam is coming back from school. He has gone to school sometime earlier, but now he is coming back from school. Will it be AM or PM? Ibrahim, class 3G. Okay, now I'll ask Hifsa. Hifsa, please unmute.
Ma'am, the Aslam comes back from school in PM.
In the afternoon, and that time will be PM. PM एक दफा लिखने से काफी होता है, ये इतनी बार लिखना जरूरी नहीं है. Afternoon is at PM. Correct. I'm getting very nice response in chat. So this is going to be PM. Correct. Okay. Next situation. We watch television after dinner every day. रोज रात को हम डिनर के बाद थोड़ी देर, half an hour or 1 hour, we watch television, we watch some cartoon or some movie or anything. So is it going to be AM or PM? Maz Hassan 3D, please unmute.
Ma'am, it is PM.
It is going to be PM. Maz Hassan को नहीं unmute किया था? ये Maz Hassan के नाम से कौन कर रहा है? Okay. So
Ma'am, मैं
night
मास
time.
हसन ही हूँ.
अच्छा, वो आपकी आवाज से मुझे लगा शायद कुछ कोई और है. Okay, thank you so much. Hipsa and Mars, please mute yourselves. So at night है ना, after dinner, dinner is taken at night. So after dinner, when we are watching television, that time will be PM time. Correct. Okay, एक और situation. Mother fried scrambled eggs for breakfast. किस किसने scrambled eggs खाए हैं breakfast में? Breakfast कर चुके हैं या अभी करना है? मैंने तो करना है. और मेरा scrambled eggs ही बनाने का मूड है. तो what do you think that time was when mother fried scrambled eggs for your breakfast? Would it be AM or PM? Usaid bin Usama, please unmute.
Ma'am, it is PM.
PM.
AM, ma'am.
Okay, it will be AM. Morning time है. Morning time is written with AM. Correct. एक और situation है. Me and my friends are having a campfire. Weekend पर हम camping के लिए जाएंगे and there we'll have a campfire. Right? Campfire पता ही होगा ना सबको. आपको क्या लगता है campfire किस टाइम किया जाता है? Is it going to be in morning time or the evening time? Would we write AM with it or PM? Ikra Saeed, unmute.
Ma'am, PM.
PM. Okay. Anybody else would like to answer? ठीक है जी, मैं बताती हूँ आपने करेक्ट कहा या नहीं. Please mute yourself. बदरुस सलाम हो चुके हैं. रुहाब हाशमी, please unmute. What time will we do a campfire? PM. Correct. G. Nice response in chat. Talha, Maz, Dua, Saqib, Shahan, Samia, Zahid. It will be PM time. Obviously campfire रात में ही करेंगे ना. ठीक है, दिन में तो हम हाइकिंग करेंगे, वॉक करेंगे. रात में जब हमें सर्दी होगी और it will be dark, so we'll have a campfire, right? तो campfire भी PM में होगा. Last, Alia loves bedtime stories. When will Alia listen to or read the bedtime stories? Would it be AM or PM? Now I will ask Ryan Ahmed. Please unmute. Ryan Ahmed.
It is going to be PM.
PM time.
It is going to be
Okay.
PM.
Okay, good. Muhammad Abdullah, please unmute. You tell us, would it be AM or PM?
PM. PM at the night.
PM at the night. Correct. Ruhab, Badr, Shahan, Talha, Samia. Correct answers. Dua. So it is going to be PM time. Right? I hope AM or PM का तो सबको अब clearly समझ आ गया होगा. What you now have to do is you will attempt page number 166 on your books. Right? Write the today's date and day at the top left and right corners, and then attempt it is totally objective type. कोई आपको लंबे लंबे क्वेश्चन सॉल्व नहीं करने. जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द सिचुएशंस. मैंने अभी जैसे आपको एक्टिविटीज करवाई ना, आपको डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस दी और आपसे पूछा ये AM है या PM है, ठीक है, इसी तरह की डिफरेंट शॉर्ट सिचुएशंस गिवन है एंड यू हैव टू डू एज डायरेक्टेड। जो भी आपसे पूछा जा रहा है आपको उसी के आंसर, जस्ट वन वर्ड आंसर्स बताने हैं बिकॉज इट इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ब्लैंक्स, राइट? तो that's all for today. Now if you have any questions you can ask, otherwise it's over from my side. Is there a question? Lower your hands everyone. अभी lower करें hands अपने. मैं खुद कर देती हूँ. Now if you have a question then you can ask. Manahil Adnan, yes please unmute.
मैम मुझे होमवर्क दिखा दे।
अच्छा मैं अभी दिखाती हूँ. उसैद बिन उसामा प्लीज अनम्यूट.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, जो एनालॉग क्लॉक होती है वो 5, अगर मैं 5 का देखिए, अगर 10 पे और 10 पे छोटी सी और बड़ी सी 6 पे, तो अगर मैं 5 का टेबल पढ़ूं तो उसका सही आंसर आएगा।
बिल्कुल उसका सही आंसर आएगा।
ओके मैम।
मिनट्स के लिए आप 5 का टेबल पढ़ते हैं ना, 6 5 30, तो इट विल बी 10:30, राइट? ओके, मोहम्मद शाहान प्लीज अनम्यूट, यू हैव अ क्वेश्चन.
मैम व्हाट इज पीएम स्टैंड फॉर?
PM stands for post meridiem and AM stands for anti meridiem, right? Alishba Salim please unmute.
मैम आप तब मुझे बोल रही थी उस वक्त आपकी कट कट की आवाज आ रही, ना ही अनम्यूट की ऑप्शन आ रहा था।
ओके कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, वो मे बी इट वाज अ इंटरनेट प्रॉब्लम, तो इट हैपेंस, डजंट मैटर, ठीक है? और जैनब खान अनम्यूट.
थैंक यू।
मैम काम बुक पर करना है या नोटबुक पर?
जी देखिए, look at the screen, it's written on book, you have to do it on book.
Okay ma'am.
So I think that was all for today and you understand everything very well, so you will get your homework in the WhatsApp group also, and I hope you enjoyed today's class. Thank you so much and we'll see you guys tomorrow inshallah. I'm not saying that you have to leave. If you want to ask anything, you can ask right now. Otherwise, you are free to go.